everyone. Postman paid me a visit today and delivered this month's Hacker Box. Now I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. Last month was really good, and I've actually done quite a bit with the stuff that was in the last box, so I'm interested to see what's in this one. So let's open this guy up and see what's in here. Can. Okay, what do we got this time? Alright, so we start off with something in bubble wrap. Alright, something interesting looking. Let's see, what do we got here? Ooh, we got an LCD screen. So it's a 2.2 TFT SPI. It's 240 by 320. Okay, well that's actually cool. I don't know if I've actually run one of these through SPI before or not. But that's cool, because what's really cool about these is it's almost like USB, you can run multiples. Not sure if this has two different connections on it. Let's see. We got unpopulated connections here. We have, yeah, there we go. There we go. Alright. I'm going to assume that, because we've got an SD card. It's interesting. So do we have one input for, okay, so we have SD0, MISO, SD, or SDI, SDO, SDI? Should just be input, output. Okay, so they got MISO, MOSO. Okay, so they've got the input, the output. There's for an LED. I'm going to assume that's for the backlight. Computer select. So is this all, does this show up as one device for the TFT or the memory card, the touch? I mean, is this touch? I'll bet this isn't touch. This is just a display, isn't it? Yeah, this is just a display. There's no touch on it. So this is not a touch screen. Interesting here. There's some stuff not populated. Cool. Alright. Similar to some of the other ones that I have, but they didn't have this. They weren't like this. So, and cool. So it's not restricted to just Arduinos. You can use this in all kinds of different stuff. Alright, what we got here? Oh, this is cool. HackerBox lanyard or something. Oh, you could use this for all kinds of stuff. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. And what do we got here? Hack the planet. Alright. A little more, what do you call this? I don't know. Advertising stuff, in a way. Oh, is this another ESP? Let's see what this one is. This is, oh crap, it's hard to get out of here. Shoot. Alright. So this ESP WRO, okay, so we've had one of these before. You know, I have just not gotten into these. I'm sure I will. I just haven't, to be honest with you. I haven't found a real good purpose for them yet. And I know there is, and I know, you know, someone might comment and say, hey, you know, these are the coolest things there ever was. But I just have not gotten into these yet. I don't know. Alright, so we've got USB cable. Look, fairly decent one. Alright, what else we got here? We've got something. What's it say? 2-in-1 charger adjust. What? Charger adjust. Is this like an adjustable charger? Okay, so what do we got here? We got voltage in, ground, battery, ground, voltage out. 2-in-1 charge. Oh, charge discharge. So this is set for 5 volts. Okay, Okay, so this is, I guess, a different type of charger. I'm hoping this is a lithium or lipo. That's cool. Needed, you know. I might try this on some because I've got another project coming soon, and can't wait for that one. Might use it on that. Some more jumpers. You can always use jumpers. Oh, it's a spudger, as Big Clive would say. Spudger. Cool. This one actually seems pretty decent. Nice and thin. All right. Good deal. All right, what do we got here? All right, we got a bunch of parts, and we got some LEDs. They look like I'm going to assume, but maybe wrong. They don't. They look like RGB addressables. I'm not 100% sure, but they sure do kind of look like it. Alright, so we got some headers, we got some parts for apparently this guy, I'm guessing. Okay, so that's what we got here. We've got, which this is kind of interesting. We've got all this going in here, but these are not populated, but there is connections here on the board. You know what, I bet you that this is for the LCD and this is for the SD card slot. I can almost guarantee you, because I've got so many of these SD card readers, and this is the exact same connections for that. But I'm willing to bet you this is just not populated, but this is for the SD card reader. And I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to look at motherboards. I don't remember if they had an actual controller chip, but maybe this is disabled on this one, even though they put this. Who knows? You never know. So we got spots here for our LEDs. This is going to be for our resistors, or no, these little capacitors. Okay, so that's for our little capacitors. This would be for our sockets to be able to, I guess, to put in for here, so we can take this on and off. Or I guess you can solder it directly to the board if you wanted. And then for these capacitive touch, I'm gonna say maybe. I don't know. I don't see anything else. Interesting. So this is going to be for the battery manager. So you get a battery slash USB here. I'm guessing that this is going to be for the speaker right here. No, speaker goes up here. So this, okay, electrolytic goes right here. So yeah, pretty cool. I'll just see what this is all about. And then the ESP, wherever the heck it went. Here it is. This guy would go down here, looks like. This direction here. Yeah. So essentially, like that. Pretty cool. Let's see what this is all about. Alright, what else we got in here? We've got a reverse engineer sticker. Cool. Dang it. Get in here. Okay. So it talks about the module, talks about the battery. So it's got digital in, digital out. So these are addressable LEDs. And here's the good old ESPE WRROM32. I still just can't get. Maybe one of these days, maybe this kit will, I don't know, light a fire under my butt, and maybe I'll get into this. I don't know. I'm still an Arduino, Raspberry Pi / other stuff guy, to be honest with you. Don't know. But anyway, that's it for this box. I'm not even going to do pricing on this thing because, I mean, to be honest with you, I did it. It was an okay deal. They obviously want to do pretty good, and there's some specialized stuff in here. I mean, this is kind of cool, but to be honest with you, I'll probably give it to my daughter. It's not something I would wear. This, I don't know. I mean, I guess if I was going somewhere or somebody wants to wear crap around their neck, um, that would be kind of cool. If I was going to a maker space or something and wanted to show off the fact that I do get hacker boxes, this would be cool. But I'm not that much of a, I'm not that kind of person. Stickers, those are cool. Jumpers, you can use that on anything. And it's pretty much just based around this project. To be honest with you, I mean, really and truly, the only stuff that I would immediately use would be the USB cable, budger. You know, I could use this on another project, but now that I know it goes to this one, I'll probably just leave it for that. And these jumpers, I don't know what the heck these jumpers would be for. There's no place on here for any other jumpers. I mean, it's literally just this, your LCD. You get to put some crap on here, and it's basically just a development board that's got the HackerBoxes Hack the Planet on here, and I don't know. I still just, unless, I guess you could, there's 2 holes up here. You could hook your lanyard up to this, and you could put all this together. Is this for, oh crap, what's the name of that place? Because I saw that they were making, what was it? Dang it, I wish I knew the name of it right now. I was just reading about it the other day on Slash, or on, wasn't Reddit, it was somewhere I was reading about, that they were going to be having a, like a big maker's fair or something somewhere, and they were talking about having name tags. This could be, I bet you that's what this is this is for a name tag. Yeah, that's what this is. I guarantee you. That's what this is. This DIY name tag for going to that thing, which I'm guessing is somewhere around Seattle. Just a guess. But yeah, that's cool. But for those of us who don't, this is kind of a bummer. Figure out what else I could use it for. I could make it a little doorbell. Mount it outside, have a little doorbell. Have it to where they just press a button, screen pops up, and you say, "What the hell do you want? Go away." I don't know. Anyway, yeah, as you can tell, I'm definitely not that high on this one. Definitely not that high. And, you know, if you guys know of anyone else doing boxes like these, I've looked and looked, and most of them are garbage. And honestly, HackerBoxes is the only one that seems to send out decent stuff. But I would like to get more boxes of different stuff, but so far, haven't seen any. But if you guys, you know, if you know of one, let me know. Maybe I'll start checking those guys out. And but anyway, that's it for this one. I got a lot of stuff to do, and figured I'd open this up and just see what's in here, do a video about it, show you guys and everything, and just give my take on it. And so that is going to be HackerBoxes number 0020. No name on this one. That's unusual. Usually they have some sort of odd name, but there's nothing on this one. Huh. Maybe they're changing their design. But anyway, that's it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Let me know why. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, you guys take care. See you next time.